Good morning everyone. We are from work Sunday. Our assembly topic is the value of zero on self-worth.
Hello, I am 1. I write 1 page of handwriting daily.
Hello, I am 2. I brush my teeth twice a day.
Hello, I am 3. I study for 3 hours daily.
Hello, I am 4. I play 4 different games.
Hello, I am 5. I wake up 5 a.m. daily. Hello, I am 6. I like to hit 6 in cricket.
Hello, I am 7. I am studying in 7th grade. Hello, I am 8. I take 8 glasses of water every day. Hello, I am 9. I am the biggest single digit number. Hi, I am 0. Hello, I am mathematics. I play with numbers. Day 0, why are crying? All numbers are laughing at me. Why? Because I don't have value. Number 1, please come here. Day 0, please stand to the right of number 1. Now what does it become? 10. Yes, it has become 10. Its value increased 10 times. Number 1, you may go. Number 2, please come here. Now what does it become? 90. Correct. When zeros stand next to any number, its value increases 10 times. Day 0, you are the king of numbers. We should remember that each person is valuable. The moral is that everyone is important in human society. We interdependent, never encourage anyone.